Countryboss Production.
Blessings, 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 man. Welcome to the Countryboss channel, where I'm gonna show you how to edit like a pro in Logic Pro. Edit like a pro in Logic Pro. Alright. There are some simple ways of going through this process, and just pay attention and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Simple methods, simple skills, and a lot of people still doesn't know how to do this as yet, so I'm gonna jump into it and show you what's going on here. Alright, I'm gonna play the track. I have a track with one of my upcoming artists. His name is MAVADO, and I have a project coming out shortly called Price Tag Juggling. You know, a lot of artists on that project, so when you guys just show me some support. So let me just go back into the tutorial vibes now. So this is the track. See what go on now.
Yo, Countryboss, you know MAVADO, you know the thing. Yo, Spring Dog, you know the thing large. Them feel like chatting. Tell them not call we name, you know. Come and laugh with people. That people fuck up. You understand? Tell them try no call me name. Tell them try no call me name. Give praise to the man with all the rain. Give praise to the man with all the rain. Tell them try no call me name. Tell them try no call me name. Give praise to the man with all the rain. Give praise to the man with all the rain. How we name them a call up. Countryboss set the lip up every tall up. Links that knock just like sawdust. And the killer them knock just like Maldos. Nigga there, killers them walk up. Some run, some jump in, some take shortcut. Boom, boom. Blood a run and blood a cough up. Say them bad see them now them soft up.
Yeah, so that's the vocal with the instrumental. I'll make you just hear like a quick part of the vocal without the instrumental, and let me show you guys what I'm actually talking about. So go ahead now.
Yo, Countryboss, you know MAVADO, you know the thing go. Yo, Spring Dog, you know the thing large. Them feel like chattings. Tell them not call we name, you know. Come and laugh with people. Cause people fuck up. You understand? Tell them try no call me name. Tell.
So if you realize you get the brainstorm when you start it before you start actually do the vocal. So easy way to go through that, you just go like, alright, you have a thing named strip silence, right? Normally that come here, which is a toolbar, right? So you click the toolbar, you click the toolbar. If you click the toolbar, you're gonna see the toolbar open up, right? So you're gonna come to the end here, and then you're gonna find strip silent. In case you can't find the strip silence here, you just click at a blank section, right? And you click on the left click, and you customize toolbar, right? Again, left click, customize toolbar, and then you'll find your strip silence here, right? So if you unclick it, it's gone, it's no more there, right? So you click it and it's there, right? And you click OK. Sometimes you click it and it's still not there, right? Because most of the things is checked, right? So now there's no more space to have the click silent in the bar here. So you have a little arrow here. So you know you go on the arrow. First you select the track. You find the click silent, strip silence, sorry, strip silence, and then you go like that. And if you can see, like, let me show you guys. If you see, most of the breath, the noise that we're not gonna need is actually out of the picture now. So get it.
Yo, Countryboss, you know MAVADO, you know the thing go. Yo, Spring Dog, you know the thing large. Them feel like chattings. Tell them not call we name, you know. Come and laugh with people. Cause people fuck up. You understand? Tell them try no call me name. Tell them try no call we name. Give praise to the man with all the rain. Give praise to the man with all the rain. Tell them.
You know, you can, you know, like you can play the song and anywhere you have too much the bird same way, you can actually like open up wider and then you cut off the cut tail.
Call we name. Give praise to the man with all the rain.
And the next good thing to do is after you actually cut it down, like click here. Example.
Give praise to give. Give praise to give praise. Give praise. Give praise to give.
Right at the front there, you have the glitch sound. So you use a fade tool and you cut it out easily.
Give praise to give praise to give praise to give praise. Give praise to give praise to.
Right, so next way is we're gonna go like if you realize some of the vocal take is actually like really low, right? As you can see that at the wave, like here, right, would be higher than here. So easily you can get like this section here to look similar and get the right volume and level, right? So if you see on this side, it's actually the wave is actually higher, and this side is actually higher than right here. So easy way to get this up. You go up, your pointer, you go over to Regine, right? You click it and you go down to gain, right? Right here in front, there is not a knob, right? It's not highlighted. So all you need to do is just wave over it with your mouse and you right click and then you bring your mouse up and then you realize the waves start change. Look how big it can get. That's over too much, right? So you get it on your level that you need it and you listen to your headphone and make sure you match up with the other sections, right? Easily. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Just support the channel. Like, subscribe, share. You know, I'll be here to show you guys a little thing or two every week.